My dear friends, today I'm going to discuss the nutrient quality of shrimp cultured in organic farming. You know what is organic farming? Organic farming is culture without using any chemicals. So the Litopenaeus farm is cultured in farm without using any chemicals from starting to end. So just we studied the nutritional value of that prawn which is cultured in organic way of farming and compare this to the shrimp which are cultured in conventional method and which is superior whether it is conventional method or the organic farming method in terms of nutritive value. So that is the main aim of our study. So mostly the conventional method we are using chemicals that will enter into the tissues of shrimps, and finally we are consuming that one which having uh, the the chemicals residue that will definitely affect the consumer's physiology and cause many diseases. So the animals which are producing in organic way will not cause any health hazards because we are not using any chemicals. So in the present study we just compare which one is superior, whether it's conventional method or organic method in terms of nutrition quality. So that we have used that Litopenaeus vannamei. Why we selected Litopenaeus vannamei? Because it is most popular shellfish and it provides high quality rich protein, calcium and various extractable compounds and minerals for human body while low in calorie and fat. Right? For that, we studied uh, proximate composition like protein, carbohydrate, lipid, ash, and water. And also, we studied moisture, ash. Also studied amino acid content of this and fatty acid content of this what you call fatty acid content and amino acid content of the animals which are cultured in organic way of culture. So biochemical composition, protein is followed by Lowry et al. And carbohydrate we are following Dubois et al. Method and lipid Folch et al. Method and moisture AOC 1990 and Haas AOC 1990. Amino acids unless by using Baker and Horn method 1994 and fatty acid method is by following Kazugagi et al. 1997. And coming to the results, right? The protein is 40, which we just compare the present study that is organic way of farming as well as conventional method, right? In terms of proximate composition, protein is 40, it is maximum, right? Maximum protein in the present study. And coming to the Gunal study, Gunal is actually cultured this animal in conventional method. 35 only, 35 percentage. This is 40, somewhat high. And carbohydrate 3.35 and 3.20. This is not much difference. But lipid also not much difference. The moisture also 77.5 in the present study, and Gunal study is 76.2, and as 1.7 and 1.2. So the protein is rich. From the results, we can infer that the 40 is high. So this is we badly needed so that this organic farming also boost the protein level of the body, animal's body, and which is suppose we are consuming that protein rich animal, and definitely our growth and development will be high. So that is the in terms of protein is high when compared to even other carbohydrate, lipid, moisture, and other proximate composition. Protein is superior, isn't it? Right? We are preferring marine animal because of protein, and protein is available throughout the year. That is why we are selecting a marine animal for consumption, isn't it? So that the protein is very rich in the present study when compared to conventional method. So it is one of the um, best result we got. And coming to the minerals, we have studied calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, manganese, iron, copper, chromium. And chromium is very trace amount, and copper is very trace amount. Then both conventional as well as separate study. Manganese is almost same, 8.898, 0.898, and phosphorus. But anyway, uh, the minerals, whatever minerals we got, that is also present in the Gunal study, who cultured in a conventional way, but a little bit high when compared to Gunal study. The present study, the calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium is a little bit high. So that is the higher side. Then coming to the essential and non-essential amino acids, we studied amino acids also. We studied reported 9 essential amino acids and 8 non-essential amino acids. You know what is difference between essential and non-essential? Essential amino acids is that not able to synthesize our body, so you have to provide along with feed, right? And non-essential, it is already secreted by our body, so need not depend on outer source. So that is the difference. But see that essential amino acids, 9 essential amino acids are present. That is why, see that you just correlate, protein is high and essential amino acids also high. So that is it is a best quality, we can say, right? So this cysteine is 1.06 in present study. That is valine is high, right? So see that total level, each and individual levels, more or less equal to conventional, and the animals are cultured in conventional as well as organic way of. But the thing is, the amount is little bit high, right? If, for example, valine, Gunalan reported 23.72, which is cultured in conventional method, whereas in valine, it is little bit high, 24.25. So little bit high. The non-essential amino acids also following the same trend, right? The essential amino acids are arginine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, and valine. Coming to the non-essential amino acids, aspargine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine. Whatever it is having both essential and non-essential amino acids, which are badly needed for the human beings. Then coming to the fatty acids, right? There are saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids, right? So we reported that palmitic acid, margaric acid, and stearic acid, right? That is this is present both. The animals are cultured in both conventional as well as organic farming, but the content is a little bit high in the animals are cultured in organic farming. That is 13.55. For example, you take stearic acid. In organic way of farming, we got 13.55, and in normal, that is 12.88. Likewise, unsaturated fatty acids, that is oleic acid, it is 12.85, and Gunal reported 12.48. Right, whatever it is, we got whatever results Gunal got. He cultured in that is conventional method by using chemicals. Here we got this readings in organic way of farming, but little bit high. The content is little bit high. They even unsaturated fatty acids, isn't it, right? Polyunsaturated fatty acids, belonging to omega 6 fatty acids and omega 3 fatty acids. In omega 6 fatty acids, we reported linoleic acid, right? Linoleic acid little bit high when compared to Gunan study. Even the alpha linoleic acid and serodinoic acid, eosatric acid, and eosaponic acid, and docohexanic acid. These are all um, unsaturated fatty acid, which is belonging to omega 3 fatty acids, which is reported in both Gunalan study as well as the present study, but the amount is little bit high. And conclusion, on the basis of nutritional qualities, protein is rich. Protein is remarkably rich, no doubt at all, when compared to that what the shrimps are cultured in organic farming. That is that we got a 40% protein level in the shrimps which are cultured in organic farming, but in conventional method it is low. It is generally not low. It is also high, but in our case it is more than that. It is 40%. And your Gunalan is see that Gunalan reported 35 percentage, but here 40%, 5% is ahead. So the protein is rich. So other fatty acids, other your amino acids are also superior over conventional method. So that the nutrition based on nutritional qualities, the results of the present study indicate that shrimp cultured in organic method shows some advantage over shrimps cultured in conventional method using chemicals. Total investment also higher than the ponds using chemicals. Right? Suppose chemicals used, the total investment will be high. This is produced from chemicals will cause some health issues to the consumers. But this is totally option in organic farming. To see the nutrition quality, total investment, and consumer preference, it is recommended to start organic farming. Organic farming is good when compared to conventional method, because organic method you have to invest more money, but here the money is less. That is the conclusion out of our study.